Imagine having no rain for almost 10 years. Imagine clouds of dust as wide as 200 miles and as black as night covering everything in sight. There is dust in your house, in your clothes, and in your food. It forms a layer on your skin and gets in your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, making it almost impossible to breathe. This was reality for many people living in the Central Plains during the 1930s. Dust storms were a daily occurrence, and they were utterly destructive. They ripped the paint off houses and cars. They destroyed crops and killed hundreds of animals. Sometimes, people even got lost in the dust storms and suffocated to death. Most people gave up and moved away, but those who stayed suffered some of the hardest times in U.S. history. This graphic novel by Don Brown shows the devastating effects of the Dust Bowl in a visually appealing and easy-to-read format. The Great American Dust Bowl by Don Brown is a must-read.